Picture this. It's 2 a.m. An engineer is troubleshooting a bug and runs a command. Terraform destroy auto approve. Within seconds, your entire production environment is gone. No warnings, no approvals, just gone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how that can happen and how to recover using real DevOps practices. What you'll learn, we are going to walk through a real Terraform simulation on Azure. We'll deploy live infrastructure using modules, simulate a production destroy, and recover everything step by step. If you are finding this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It motivates me to keep building these hands-on DevOps simulations for you. Let's jump into the demo. I have my Visual Studio code. Here there is a folder called Terraform Accidental Destroy. In this folder, we have modules. In modules, we have web application folder. In this web app folder, we have main.terraform file, output.tf file, variables.tf file. In main.tf, we have two resources. One is Azure RM service plan, and the second one is Azure RM app service. Followed by, in the root location, we have main.terraform file. Here we have a module defined. In this module, we are using this web app, which we have here, and trying to spin up resources. We have readme.md file. We have terraform.tf vars. Here we are defining the existing resource group, location, application name, subscription ID. Here we have variables.tf file as well. And one more important thing, we have backend.terraform file, wherein we have the storage account in the existing resource group with a container name tfstate and the key terraform.tfstate. So we are going to save the state file in this location. Okay, let's get started. Let's navigate to our directory. From here, I am going to run terraform initialize command. It will initialize the backend for us. Terraform got initialized successfully. I am going to clear the screen. Let's try to run terraform apply. Press enter. Behind the scenes, it's creating an app service plan and web app configured to run Node.js. I'm going to say yes. Terraform apply completed successfully. 2 resources were added, 0 change, 0 destroyed. Now we are going to navigate to this URL. Click on this link, open. We can see that web application is running and waiting for your content. Built with Node.js. Okay, everything is working fine. This is the point where a normal deployment ends. But what if it didn't? Now watch what happens if someone runs the wrong command in the wrong context. Terraform destroy auto approve. Press enter. Wipes out every resource in seconds. No approvals, no rollback. This is what DevOps nightmares are made of. Let's check the browser and try to refresh this, and our production application is gone. Now let's try to recover. I'll use the exact same code base we versioned earlier. This is why we use infrastructure as code to make recovery fast and reliable. Now let's run this command, recover.sh. It is reinitializing Terraform and applying the recovery plan for us. Terraform has successfully initialized, acquiring state lock. Recover.sh successfully recreated the entire infrastructure. If you can see, it was successfully created. Now I am going to follow this link once again to check if everything is like working fine. Yes, your web app is running and waiting for your content. This may look like a simulation, but it mirrors real world incidents. I've seen production data wiped out due to poor controls around Terraform destroy. Here's how you can protect yourself and your team. I'm going to open my readme.md file. Here clearly I mentioned everything in detail. How to prevent this in real life. Add prevent destroy equal to true to critical resources in Terraform. Use approval workflows for destructive actions. Never run auto approve without peer review. Use version control and modules for consistent recovery, like we did. Lockdown IAM rules. Don't give Terraform destroy permissions to everyone. We've seen a full teardown and a clean recovery. That's the power of Terraform if used wisely. If this helped you visualize a real DevOps problem and how to fix it, please like, share, and subscribe. It seriously motivates me to make more content like this based on real engineering challenges. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.